Hey everyone, welcome to Tutort Academy. So my name is Chirag Vaishnav, and in this video we will be discussing level order traversal. So previously we have talked. Previously we have talked about that. Okay, in a tree, uh, one thing that you should take care of is that how to traverse. Now, in traversal also there are two kinds of traversal. One comes the traversal with recursion, and another comes the travel with level order traversal, level wise. Right. In recursion we are having three: pre, in, and post. While in level order we are having the level order traversal, and there are some variations in it. Right. With the help of it, we basically I will make a video in which I will try to do top view of a binary tree, left view, right view, bottom view, and a lot of more things are there. Right. So we will be doing that. So basically in this video we will be discussing, okay, what is the level order traversal. Right. So for the level order traversal, what we will be using is, we'll be using, because whenever we solve a tree question, I have said you that first think of algorithm and traversal. That first think of algorithm, then think of traversal, and after that we'll move further. So what you have to do, you have to basically traverse each and every node. So for that case, obviously we'll be starting with the root node. So how we have to traverse? We have to traverse level by level. That first this level, next this level, next this level. So what you have to do, you have to use a data structure. So just stop this video and think for a second that what will be the data structure, or what will be the basic algorithm that we'll be using if we want to traverse like this. So I hope you might have paused the video and thought about it. So let me help you out with it. So the data structure that we'll be using is queue, right? So let me give you a dry run that how we are making that possible. So suppose I use the first node, right? So let me just remove this, and I started with this. So I pushed one in here, right? So initially my queue is that. So I have processed one, right? I have processed one. So how I process, I will pop the element and print it, right? So let's say this is my answer. So I popped it, I printed it. Now I checked if left of one exists or not. So okay, left exists. So I went here. So okay, I added 2. Now I will check 2 right exists or not. So yes, right exists. So I will add 3, right? Now I have processed one. I have processed one completely. Why? I have popped it out, printed it, and I've checked if the left exists or right exists. Now, as one is being processed, now the front or top of the queue is 2. So I will pop queue and I will process queue, right? So I will pop it, I will print it, and I will check, okay, do left of this exist or not. So this is being processed. Only this part is being processed. Now I will check, okay, 4 exists and 5 exists, left and right exists. So what I will do, I will print it and add 4 and 5, left and right. So the 2 is processed completely. Why? We have popped it, we have printed it, and we have checked left and right exist or not. After that, the top of the queue is 3. So I will pop 3, I will print 3. So now this level is complete. Now we'll check, okay, do left or right of 3 exist or not? No, they does not exist. So okay, we have processed the node. Now we will check for 4. We will pop 4, print 4, and check, okay, do left of 4 or right of 4 exist or not? No, they does not exist. So we will not move further, and we'll now the top will be 5. We'll pop it out, print it, and check, okay, do left of 5 exist or not, or right of 5 exist or not? No, that does not exist. Now okay, we have traversed each element, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 and 3 level are there, and this is the way we will pop it out. So what is the basic algorithm? The basic algorithm is make a queue, push root, right? And while queue is not empty, what you have to do, you have to process the node. And how you will process the node? You will pop it out, pop and print, and now as you have popped, you will store it in a variable temp, and you will check if left exists, push the left in the queue, and if right exists, push the right in the queue, right? So at the point when queue will become empty, this simply will mean that you have traversed all the nodes, you have passed, or you have like marked true on all the nodes, that okay, you have visited all the nodes, and the printed order printed will be level order traversal. The printed will be the printed will be the level order traversal, and in this way we will be using this. So in this case we have used to print, else what you have to do, you might have different operations that in the level order, okay, I only need the cross cases, either I0 or IN-1, right? So I need either this or this, or this or this, right? So in this way you can see, okay, on which level what are the things that I am dealing with, right? So this was for level order traversal. I hope you got the solution right. So I hope you will make most out of it. So let's see in the article that how it is being written there. So this simply means that what you have to do, the same thing is being written here as well. So let me just using queue, right? So what you have to do, you have to create empty queue, you have to use a root node, and after that you have to print the node, enqueue temps node. If left exists, you have to add it in the queue, if right exists, you have to add it in the queue, right? So the same thing is being, if root is null, you have to return, else make queue, push the root, and while queue is not empty, what you have to do, you have to make a temp variable node, and let's say put the information of front node in it, print it, pop it. After that you have to check if left exists, then push it into queue, if right exists, push it into the queue, and this process will continue till queue does not become empty, and at the end you will be having printed all the elements in the level order, right? So I hope you got the solution right. So this is really good problem, because it is really good to start getting started with, and furthermore, with the help of variation of these questions, we will be building on many questions as well. So make sure that you have understood it completely. If you're having any doubt, do ask in the comment section, I will for sure answer it. If you're having any doubt, do ask in comment section, or else whatever regarding Tutort Academy also, if you're having doubt, do ask in the comment section. Also you'll find my LinkedIn ID's link in the description, you can check me out, right? So if you like this video, to give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.